This video right here, I really want to go over how I'm here to help you because obviously you have no idea. Okay. Only if you knew what I knew. Okay. So, my main objective, my mission is to awake what's already in the inside of you. Okay. Somebody asked me the other day, what are you great at? And I said, I'm great at showing people who they really are. I'm great at awakening what's already been in the inside of you this whole time. You just never had someone to awake it. Okay. There's greatness in the inside of you. There's power in the inside of you. There's focus. There's discipline. Okay. There's optimistic. There's a whole different being on the inside of you that I know how to awake. Okay. I want you to think about this. So I'm a big Matrix fan. Okay. All of them. The Matrix Reloaded, the Matrix Revolution, the Matrix Resurrection, any Matrix you can think of. Okay. Why? Because that movie tied into life. Like it ties into life like tying a shoe. Okay. It blends perfectly. You can't have a nice shoe without a shoestring. Okay. Now, I want you to think about something. The first step of being anything great and to finding anything that you want to do in life that you really enjoy, it's all about your belief system. It's all about your mindset. And when people hear mind, they automatically think your brain. No, your mind is every fiber that's within you. Your mind is you. Okay. Every fiber in your body is your mind. Okay. So don't just think when somebody say mind, you just think of your brain. No, it goes deeper than that. Okay. So I want you to think about something. The enemy try to play a big part in what we do day-to-day basis. Okay. He wants to steal that belief that you have or that you will have in the future. Because he know once you start to believe, this is when the real problems begin. So if you think about the Matrix, when they was going to find Neo and awake him, like wake him up from the slumber he was in, them agents was trying to get to him first. That way they can go ahead, kill him and destroy him. Right? What the enemy do? What do the enemy do? Kill, steal, and destroy. That's their main objective. That's his mission. Okay. So if you think about Agent Smith as the enemy, right? So every time they was on their journey to awake Neo, here they come, right? But think about this: when Neo started to awake, when he started to get on the right track and he started to believe in himself, here they come again. When Neo was trying to help people, here they are again. When Neo was trying to be his best self, here they come again. When Neo was trying to be focused and really be the one, here they come again. The enemy always come to attack, disrupt, destroy, and disintegrate everything that you're trying to build. Okay. Now I want you to think about it like this. If Neo did not believe in himself and believe what he was being told, this is the part he would have never became the one. So I want you to know, you will never become the person that you can be if you do not believe. So I always start with awakening your belief system, because limited belief will literally have you limited. You will be a limited being. When you believe, you're unlimited. Okay. But first, we got to start with freeing your mind. That's what I'm great at. It's freeing your mind. So when you think about it, when Neo was taking all the downloads, and if he didn't believe that he was able to learn that and do that, he wouldn't be able to do no downloading. Okay. When Neo first made that first jump, this is the part of getting over fear. Remember when Morpheus took him up on the building, right? And said, you gotta believe, you gotta free your mind. And boom, did the jump the building. What Neo do? He was like, okay, I can do this. He was pumping himself up. But really, when he jumped, he didn't really believe. So boom, he fell down. That's what happened to us when we don't really believe. We will fall. We will fall. But here's the key. fall as many times as you need to better your belief system. Because once you start to believe, you won't even need to make the jump because you can soar, you can fly. You see what I'm saying? So it's all the belief system. Okay. So I created Morefreeus. The more people that I can free, the more free of us there is, the better off this nation will be. Okay. So that's my main mission, is to awake and free as many people from the system as possible. Will that be easy? No. Every great man had a hard mission. Okay. Every great man had a hard mission. I'm a strong black man that I do not believe in failure. I will not lose and I will never stop. So anybody that know me, they will tell you DP is a madman when it comes to getting stuff done. Okay. I'm a absolutely freak of nature when it's time to get stuff done. I don't believe in waiting around. I don't believe in hesitating. I'm all about go, 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 go. So I want you to know I created and built stuff that's designed to help you get to that next level. Okay. So while we in this world right here, in this realm, okay, this realm, all they want to do is destroy you, distract you, or knock you off your game. That's why focus, laser sharp focus, is a virtue. It's valuable as a brick of gold. And don't let them keep telling you time is money, because time is not money. This is why so many people is trading their time for money, because they think if they trade a whole lot of time, they're going to get a whole lot of money. No, you trade money for time. Your money buy your time so you can have more time. Okay. Now, with that being said, I'll need you to look at this perspective. The more you have to give to the world, the better your life will be. The more you serve, the better your life will be. So when we get derailed off the plan and the mission, it derails your future. So gotta stay focused, gotta stay motivated. The more you draw that line that you're gonna get stuff done, the more you're gonna get stuff done. Okay. Because I'm gonna tell you what's waiting on you: bills, job you hate, time you don't want to take, right? People you don't want to be around. All that's a blend of something you just miserable with. So to put that over to the side, to knock that out your misery, go ahead and get rid of it. How you get rid of it is go ahead and free your mind. The more minds I can free and take to that next level, the more the economy will switch. Okay. And can I do it all by myself? Of course not. I need your help. Okay. I need your help. So I need you to become who you're supposed to be. That way you can help me. Okay. So if you think about it, the more people we can get on a level of higher being, the more difference, the more we can get people on the level of higher being, that's a bigger difference getting made on account of you. Okay. That you help, or you help bring somebody to the forefront. You helped awaken somebody. That's what I love to do. I love to awake people, because right now you've been told so many lies. You done been brainwashed. You done been deceived. You done been manipulated. You done been you done been doubted. You done been counted out. The statistics show anybody that's of color, by the time they make it out of high school, they already counted out. If they make it out of high school, if they don't end up in the prison system. So with that being said, it's like if you look at an apple and say that apple only got 8 seeds in it. How do you know the apple only got 8 seeds in it? Well, I picked the last apple up from the tree and looked in it, and it fell from the same tree. So the apple don't fall too far from the tree. So every apple on this tree got 8 seeds in it. So they try to predict what you're going to be or what you're going to do or who you're going to be when you get older or when you take the next step of life because of where you came from. Where supposedly where I came from, I'm supposed to be dead, locked up, or in prison or somewhere crazy, somewhere in the insane asylum. You understand what I'm saying? But no, I'm stronger than that. I'm fearless. Okay. I put it on my back and I run with it. That's what I'm telling you. We got to know how to put situations on our back and run with it. Because the further we can get with this, and boom, when we let it off, the better the person we gonna be. It's just like when you work out. If you put your body with weights and weighted vests, and I got something on my shirt. Anyways, when you put weight on you, and you're gonna lose weight faster because you got so much weight on you. And then when you lose all the weight, you're gonna be a better, stronger person. That's the same thing with what's going on with your mindset, your being. The more you shed, the better person you're gonna be. The longer you carry it and you shed it off, the better man or woman you're gonna be. You will be. How is this possible? Because that's how we're designed. Our brain is a supercomputer. So when we get so much trauma and pain and neglect and disrespect, and we walk with that so long, when we start to shed it off, being an alcoholic, drug addict, getting abused, the more we shed that off and start to be, the stronger we'll become. Because our pain, our trauma is our superpower. So the more we shed that off, the better we're gonna be. I don't want to make this video too long. I can go 10,000 levels deep on this topic because I done been there and done that. Okay. I done been there and done that. I done came from that, and now I'm strong from that. So I'm here to help you. I'm here to take you to the next level. So I got free resources that I'm gonna put in the description. I got free downloadable versions of things that's going to take you to the next level. I just need you to go there, download it. I got a webinar coming up this Friday at 8:00 p.m. I'm gonna put the registration where you register, and go ahead and grab your seats because they are limited. So make sure you grab your seat. And I got a lot of free information that I'm gonna go over you with that's gonna help change your life. Okay. Then I got this beautiful book right here that I developed. I got another one too, but we'll get there shortly. So this one right here, I got two of them. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You can get these on Amazon. Like, these are legit. So this one right here is called Breaking the Cycle. This one right here is called Break the Cycle by Setting Weekly Goals. Okay. What you want to do with this one right here, I'm gonna show you the back of it. You can pause that and you can read it for a second. Okay. This right here, this book is gonna take you to a whole nother level. Okay, I'm about to show you the inside of it. Break the Cycle by Setting Weekly Goals. Okay. I'm gonna show you the first page of it. This is the first page. Hope the camera focusing on it. You can pause it and read over it. Maybe got to zoom in a little bit, because if I put it too close, it'll start getting out of frame. So what this is, it's a workbook. I'm gonna show you a couple more pages. That page. Okay. That page. Okay. And this is what it looked like when you start to get in your mode. Okay. That's what it looked like. And this is all the way through the book. This book right here is packed full of me. I put a lot of me in this book. You literally got me as your coach in the palm of your hand, motivating you, inspiring you, telling you how great you are, like pushing you, making sure you stand on track. This is all in this book. Break the cycle by setting weekly goals. Break the cycle by setting weekly goals. Okay. This right here is what you want. So when you get the book, really deep dive in it because it's going to take you to a whole new level. But I don't want to hold you too long. I just want you to know I'm here for you. I want to see you win. I want to see you take your life to a whole nother level because I know you can. I understand your power. I understand what's inside of you. I understand what is to be awakened inside of you. I understand what that means. Okay. I understand you're not ready yet, but when you are, you won't even have to think about what you're capable of. You will already be doing it. Okay. You will already be doing it. So I'm in the video right here. My name is DP. Everybody call me DP. Name is Duran Peoples, but everybody know me as DP. I want you to be blessed. I want you to stay focused. I want you to know you matter, you're loved, and you have a purpose. Okay. I'm gonna help you get to the better side of life if it's the last thing I do. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.